Okay, I guess it started. Hello guys, welcome back to another Pitcrafter video on the channel. We finally have a new Pacific storm, which is now named Tropical Storm Alvin. Maximum sustained winds over 45 knots and 50 miles an hour, which is tropical storm status. Right now, minimal pressure over 1001 or 1001 millibars as of right now, or as of 1022 PDT. Uh, it's located 14.4 north and 111.3 west. Movement west at 11 knots and 13 miles an hour. So this is where the models are taking Alvin as of right now. As you could see, this storm could probably last all the way until next week. Starting, this storm is probably going to end on Sunday next week, or not next week, but you get the point, right? Like on Sunday, it's going to end. Currently, a tropical storm. It's going to be like that for until Friday, until Saturday at 6 p.m. when this could be a tropical depression. So yeah. So as you can see, this is Alvin right now, guys. It's going to be traveling north until it reaches a tropical depression on Sunday or Saturday, and then it'll end. And wait, hold on. It'll end as a remnant low. And then that's all. Like, it won't really affect any land at all. And, I don't know what the perfect thing to do. Go to a very good site. I recommend it for tracking, really. But anyway, we're gonna go to regions. We're gonna go into the Eastern Pacific, because that's where Alvin's at right now. Okay, yeah. So this is what the Eastern Pacific models are right at the moment. Excuse me. Anyway, you guys see Alvin right there, you know, that swirl right there. This is what the models for the GFS. These are the GFS models. As you can see, this could be, again, like I said, going up north, and then, see? Look, it stays like a tropical depression. Oh, no, it stays like a tropical storm, so that's what I meant. Stay like a tropical storm all the way until probably Saturday, or no, this is on Friday. On Friday, June 28th, 2019, this storm is going to be a tropical depression. I don't know exactly what time it'll be, but it'll probably be somewhere. And then, yeah, I'm just looking for... Oh, look at there! Another storm. So, yeah, there's actually other storms on here. You know, I'll save that for another video. On July 4th, yeah, I'll save that for another video. But right now, we're still talking about Alvin. So, we may see some potential activity, but other than that, right here this is where it becomes a remnant low. You can just tell, and then it just fades away. Like, bam, no more Alvin. Okay, this is what. There's also some other potential systems that are in the Western Pacific, so we'll talk about that for a few. Okay. Okay. And if you were wondering what Alvin looked like right now, what Alvin is looking right now, this is what Tropical Storm Alvin is looking like right now, guys. Okay? This is what it is looking like right now. As you can see, it's just a tropical storm just out there. it's not really expected to affect any land, really. It's just, it's not gonna do any affecting to land. This is the other satellite image on the other view. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And you guys might be thinking, oh well, you guys are probably thinking, what is the next name on the naming list? I think that the next name, well, I kind of forgot what the next name was going to be on the Pacific. Sorry guys, I just forgot to check. I kind of forgot it in general, really. Just forgot about it, guys. I'm sorry, so sorry. And let's not bore you out with any other those details. Okay, let's look at 94W and 95W. Well, 95W is not showing on here, so that's just great. But hey, we at least have this one. I'm gonna look on the Joint Typhoon Warning Center for some other stuff that. Now, this is definitely not expected to form. If it does form for some reason, I don't know how it will, but it probably will just find a way to. Really, I still think it's probably going to travel into Japan, is what some models are saying right now. Again, let's go back here. Western Pacific. We're going to look back on this. I think that one's 94W. Yeah, it's 94W. Okay, anyway, 94W. This is what it'll. This is obviously 94W right now. Just a disturbance. As you can see, it tries to travel into Japan, but it loses everything. Okay, and then there it is, just traveling up here. You see, it's still kind of a tropical system, and then it just ends, and then it goes in Alaska, and it fades away. How sad! Oh, no Western Pacific activity. Never, ever, 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 ever. Why would we ever give you Western Pacific activity? So, yeah. Anyway, this is what 94W is right now, guys. As you can see from the models, this is what it was trying to do. As you can see, it tries to make landfall in Japan, and then it just goes north, and it fades away, guys. That's what I tried to do if it was in an animation. So, yeah, guys, if I missed anything, you guys can tell me in the comments. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, goodbye. I'll be updating you guys shortly.